Hi, good morning. Here's a smoothie recipe that I will prepare.
Stop lying, Luke.
So I have something to take to work today.
He was sneaking out the house was. It was sneaking out the house going to his girlfriend's house.
Alex doesn't even have a girlfriend, okay?
Yes, she does.
I have a whole orange here which need peeling. I also have half lemon that I already peeled and de-seeded. Try to cut everything in smaller pieces. This will help blitz easier and quicker.
Oranges. Let's remove the seeds.
I'm sorry.
Pick it up, please.
I didn't need it. I'll pick it up now.
I found a cheek of mango and the seed bit or the middle part, which I just remove as much flesh out of the seed, and also a thumb-sized ginger. Omit if you're not a fan. It's okay. It's up to you.
I'm gonna go to the grocery again. So I'm just getting the flesh out of this mango seed. You don't like wasting that, right? You paid for that. Use it. It's taken most of it. Just trying to clean my fridge. Put it in my tummy instead, right? Instead of the bin. Okay, it's done. I'm going to work in an hour and a half.
Add 1 to 1.5 cup of water.
Probably fine. Honey. I don't mind the honey now. It's coming.
I don't mind the taste of honey anymore, so I added some honey as well. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. And if you like chia seed, you can also add chia seeds at the end. Mix it all together. And that's it. It's all ready for today.
I forgot my juice. My daughter's getting it for me. Life. Here, anak. Yes. My bill. Oh, I don't care anymore. On my phone. Thank you, anak. Love you. Look here. So my daughter is in charge today. She's very good. I'm training them now because mommy has to work. You know, when you're a single mom, you gotta work. Bills are piling up. I love you. Bills are piling up, never ending. Yes. We can manage. We'll be fine. Yep, I'm off to work. I got 13 minutes to travel to work. I better turn off this video or I'll be in trouble. Bye.